Leader of Piglets. This is Leader Pig Games here, and I am playing Agario. Also, you might have seen my new intro. I'm not sure if, this is not the intro I created. I might have put in my intro that I have created, but if not, my friend, Captain Flare Gun, has made me a new intro. So, I might have figured out how to put that in my video, but if not, then, well, you've seen my original one. But yeah, I want to thank him for creating my new intro. And if I haven't edited it in, then it'll be my next video that I'll edit that in. So yeah. So I just want to thank Captain Flare Gun for editing that in. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna play on free for all. So yeah, I feel like our goal is to get to number 1, but obviously I'm not gonna get there because I suck. So I have to be really lucky if I want to get to number 1. Find a big person that accidentally touched bacteria. That's gonna be my goal. Like, try to eat everybody else. Sweden, please no. Beauty bad no. Oh no, please. Balloon girl, please. Yes. Yes. Come here. Yes. Eat you up. Alex B11. No! Erg! That was my food, and he ate it. That was my food, and that's stupid. You're a meanie. You're a meanie. You know that? Everybody's just a meanie in this game. That's it. Yes, I eat balloon girl. Oh, I should have turned in show mass. Come on. Doge. Please. Come in my belly. Or dog A or whatever. You know what? I'm just gonna kind of stay in this bacteria and turn on my settings. I want settings. Show mass. Play. Whoop. Okay, I'm out here. Okay, he is bigger than me, but I don't think he can eat me. Jurassic World, I saw you a couple of days ago. Please, I loved you. You were a really good movie. Cinematic masterpiece, if I say. Feed me, please, W. No, I'm not gonna feed you. Come here. Come here. No. Somebody, come here so I can eat you. Agario operator. Operator. Mr. Lols. Oh, great, now he's chasing me. Great. Oh, nope. He decided to change his mind. He changed his mind. Oh, I ate America. I think I ate America. Pretty sure I ate America. Satanist, please get over here. I want to eat you, please. Okay, Satanist, please. Please. I beg of you, please. Chin Chin sacrifice. Chin sacrifice. Oh, Dark Lord Chin. Wow, I'm seeing a lot of references today. At least a lot of references I get. Twitch/GamerLio. I'm guessing I'm supposed to say lion. No. Taking the spotlight away from my video. Gosh dang it, Christians. Oh no. Nothing against Christians. I am a Christian, but nothing against atheists either. You want to believe what you believe. I'm not going to judge for your religious faith. Dang it, Christians. Not the religion to... Sir! That one guy named Christians made me have an awkward talk about religion. Thanks. Trying to cover all spots so no haters like start like breathing really hard and typing on the computer, like slamming their keyboard really fast, going. Oh crap! What did I do? Oh crap! I messed up. Oops! Oopsie daisy! I made a oopsie. Oh gosh, I'm thinking that is Blob, and that is Bub, Blob and Bub. Okay. Just eat all the circle things. No, I wanted to eat him. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm building up to the mess I was about at. Well, where's my setting? Oh yeah, I forgot. I slammed on the keyboard and reset it. So. Hacks. Haha, I ate hacks. Yay, I ate a person. My friend. R. Turkey, 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 turkey. No. Oh, that guy. Trying to get out of everybody's way. Okay. Germany, please stay away. Just turn the settings real quick. Show mass. Play. Okay, good, I'm good. Dreams 18. Oh, yes. Doge! I hate you, Doge. Or Doge, or however you pronounce her name. Such a meanie. You know what? You're such a meanie, okay? You get that? You know, you're such a meanie. Okay. Let's go on experimental. Okay, let's play now. Okay, so. Whoa. Everybody just came by like all at once. Roar, please stay back. Lil. Oh, hello back to you. Okay, where is Mama Bird? Where is Mama Bird? Mama Bird, where are you? Mama Bird. Hello, Mama Bird. Where you at, Mama Bird? Well, you definitely know Mama Bird. Is this Pika? No, this is Cthulhu. Hello, Netherlands, Poker Face, W equals team, Nipple God. Okay, that's nice. A random noob. Well, judging by your size, you're not a random noob. Charlie Swabla. Oh no. Lol, come here. Oh, okay, apparently not. I'm too lazy to chase after him. Roar. Roar. AIDS. Hey, I'm not laughing because of AIDS, I'm laughing because the AIDS nearly ate person. Poodle. Oh, nope, he's grown big. Is this... Mama Bird isn't that big anymore. Mama Bird is really tiny. Oh, so that's how she... Oh. So that explains how Mama Bird produces those things. She takes a person, chops them up, and then feeds them to other people. Well, I have an idea what the title of this video is gonna be. Mama Bird's freaking insane. I don't like Mama Bird. Mama Bird's scary now. Freaking. I'm still gonna hang around Mama Bird though if she's gonna feed me other people. But still, don't want to get too close to her. ALMAO, Satan. Satan, why you do this? ALMAO, eat Satan. Okay. Oh, jeez, yay. This person's trying to eat me, but you can't. You're gonna eat more of chopped up bits of other players. To eat me. I mean, I don't think. But I mean, if you think about it, Mama Bird is just a little more insane than all of us. I mean, we are eating the other person whole. Mama Bird is more just like chopping them up, then feeding them. Dang it, Doge! So, yeah, I guess he's just making it... I guess he's just making it more painful, I guess, for a person. But still, it's kind of messed up. Okay, Pika, Pika. No. No, Mo. Moo. Oh, Moo. Okay. Why did I say Mo? It's Moo. Oh my gosh, lag. Stop it. Stop it, lag. Lag. Please. You're not. Master Ball. No. No. I ate Mexico. Oh no. Hello, world. No, I said hello to you earlier. Remember, we're buds. Yeah, eat that guy that's chasing me. I remember, we're buds. I said hello to you. No, why are you chasing me? We're buds. Okay, good. Okay, he left me alone. So yeah, I said, when you say hello to... No, bad. That person had a very bad name. But I'm not gonna edit it out. Because I'm lazy. Oh. I'm sure your life is alright. Don't... Never mind. No therapy right now. No, don't eat me, please! Like when I was getting big, too. Mama Bird, please. Okay. No. I accidentally rammed Mama Bird. Mama Bird is a freaking psychopath, man. Okay. I thought she was a good bacteria, but she's really not. Okay. So, is this what average Mama Birds look like? Because the ones I went to was apparently freaking huge. I thought they were all the same size, but apparently not. You gotta be really careful, because I don't want to accidentally run into her. Wait, I wonder if you press W on it, does she grow? Okay, yeah, she does grow. I think she like grows and then like reproduces that thing, and, like spits it out, chops it up, you know. Okay, stuff. I'm begging you, stuff, lards and stuff, please. I mean, I'm lagging really bad right now, but please don't eat me. Lards. Oh my god. Okay, of course I get eaten by Nipple God. Stop lagging, game, please. I know that seems like the typical gaming excuse that, oh, I lost because of lag, but it actually legit is. I can't see worth crap. Mike, I'm playing on a laptop, okay? Don't judge. Okay. So I got 31 mass. You'll find Mama Bird again. Nipple God, please, don't eat me again. People are driving me insane. There's Omega and NASA. There's NASA. Oh crap, I didn't know there was a wall there. NASA, why are you chasing me? Pretty sure there's a bunch of other people you could be chasing and eating, other than me. Canada, I want to eat up. Oh god, Mars. Mama Bird, please feed me. Oh, that person just ran Mama Bird and she only got chopped up. Chop. Mama Bird is a psychopath. Yet she feeds us well. It's kind of like what Insanity Wolf does. Feed the homeless to the homeless. Oh gosh, she just like spurting. Oh, it's weird. She like spurted all the thoughts at one point. Yeah, look at that. She just does it all at once. Only does it a little bit. It's all at once. Okay, this is pretty good food. This is pretty good. Zerdy, Zerdy. Yes. Oh my gosh, lag. Stop. Colon. Oh, please run into Mama Bird. Oh man, can't eat each other. That's stupid. Blob, 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 blob. Okay. Blob, just ram Mama Bird. Just ram Mama Bird so I can eat you up in small little pieces. No. Ooh, that was close. That was close. I nearly rammed Mama Bird. Mama Bird would chop me up. And fed me to the people. What if a gigantic person just rams Mama Bird? No, that would be entertaining. Those freaking little dots are everywhere. Colon, please. Back off, bro. Back off. I'm not taking any chances. Not taking any chances. Okay. I'm pretty sure Colin wouldn't be able to eat me, but I wasn't taking any chances. Well, I don't know what you're doing, okay? I don't know what you're doing. What am I doing? I don't know. Omega, please back off. Ballistic blob. Omega, back off. Stussy. Everybody, just back off of me. Back off of me. Okay? El Gallo. Please, stop lag. Stop. Oh, sorry, computer. I'm sorry, computer. You okay, computer? I'm sorry, I took out my rage on you. I'm sorry. How long have you been recording for? Okay, guys, so I feel like it's a good place to stop here. Leave a like, subscribe, share it on whatever, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!